Sawadika, Kapuka, Agna.
Hello. Yes, the taxi?
Looks lightweight.
Yeah.
But it's overcharged.
So you guys know how to use the gear?
Yes.
Okay, so there are two sides up here. The left hand side and right hand side.
Slow down. Stop.
Go ahead.
Go.
Keep going.
Keep going. What's your head?
Line.
Okay, you farted.
And which side is your right?
Left.
Left
You're
side.
gonna record it, you have time to watch it.
Yeah. All right, let's go.
Can you feel
All right, let's go.
buzzing in the atmosphere, electric, static humming everywhere. This energy is swirling around us in anticipation. So can you feel it? Can you feel it?
All right, first stop.
Make a change or impact to Thai people from non-spicy people to be spicy people. But then also the food we're going to try right now. This one is called Khanom Jeen Gang Gai Kua, which is mean rice noodles. Khanom Jeen Gang Gai Kua.
So what was saying, the Portuguese brought in spices, especially chilies, a few 100 years ago. Thailand, they didn't really have any spice in their food until the Portuguese came. They introduced their chilies.
You can tell what you are.
We learned something today.
So,
The yellow is the chili.
I almost like to write it. Did you take a picture? I don't know. Okay. No spicy.
Very narrow. Going to our next stop. Okay. So this is the second stop, and I think we're going to window. I can't read this. Okay. All right. Here we go.
You got one? Yeah. Open it up.
Oh.
A little present. Oh.
Oh, it's hot. It's warm. I mean,
What do you guys call this one in your home country?
It's a mix of empanada and
It's actually in Mexico or in South America or Spanish regions they call empanada. In Asia we call curry puff, but in Muslim country or in
masarap. There you go, masarap. There you go.
same stuff.
Empanada.
I feel like it's gonna twist my tongue. I'm gonna wait for a bit.
Any food that connects the history.
Oh, good.
Like it?
I didn't know Cody was on the menu. I swear. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
Mean foreigners, so snack for foreigner or foreigner snack.
Kanum pala.
But the reason they call this because when Portuguese people decide to settle down here, they also would like to have a cake, so they think that they have in Portugal. But the problem with Thailand that time is our country we have no cow, so we have no milk and butter. So they have to figure out how to make cake with no milk and butter. But they all know that you can use egg to make cake also. But then another problem also Thailand, when they first arrived here Thailand, that time we don't do animal farm, we only do rice and vegetable. So animal or chicken in the forest, rice and vegetable. Oh, vegetable? Oh, I see. Okay, so animal or chicken are in the forest, we only hunt them for meat. It's not common for people to find chicken egg. But then people here, since long time ago, we always live next to the water. Like river, canal, so we always live next there. It's more easier to for them to find a duck egg. So they use duck egg instead of chicken egg. So three main ingredients of making this one is duck egg, flowers, and sugar. And because of the duck egg itself, it tastes eggier. So it makes a signature of this cake. They call it eggy cake or eggy taste of cake. But then also They're not 100% confirmed because they never recorded it down, but they couldn't find anything else that can call cake before this one. So they think this one might be a first thing that they can call cake in Thailand, because we don't know the cake in Thailand until Portuguese people bought this knowledge. Take one.
The foreigner's cake.
Foreigner cake.
There you go for all the foreigners. Foreigner egg cake, good.
Alright, let's take it. So this is Elon Musk's origin right here. Right there.
Okay guys, let's start from here. Maybe some can be here so they can have more space. This means free and mix. But the reason they call free.
Free.
Free mix? Free mix?
Free like freedom.
Freedom.
And mix is like
Mix
together.
freedom.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the reason they call free and mix because also, have you guys ever heard that Thailand never been colonized?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The reason that we never been colonized is not because we are strong. It's so many reasons, but then the main reason that because of the Thailand that time on the east of Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam colonized by French Empire. On the west coast of Thailand, India, Myanmar, even Laos, Malaysia, colonized by French or by British Empire. So they used Thailand to be a buffer zone. That's why Thailand never been colonized. And in the fact of that Thailand being made the zone of like buffer zone, that also it makes Thailand become center of Southeast Asia at the same time. Yeah, so people who are running business in Southeast Asia, they settle down in Thailand, or they always will come to Thailand because they can deal with those people at the same time. That's the reason why they make or they call Thailand free and mix. Asian people, especially in Southeast Asia or like Thailand, people back in the day, people do everything on the floor. We sleep on the floor, we eat on the floor, we work on the floor. The concept of people who have a chair to a bed to sleep, chair to work, a table to work, or first table to eat, it's only royal family or first class group of people in the society can have that type of concept. This is telling how wealthy of their family or how powerful of their family in society back in the day.
So hold on, Red Bull is what? Came from
Thailand.
Oh.
And then Australia or Austria, what are the two?
Oh, okay. So Red Bull came from originally from Thailand. That's awesome. All right, I need to film all of you guys. Hey, what's up? Hey. What's up? No hands. I see that. No hands. Funny.
Hey, stop. Be careful.
Yeah, I see it. Let's go, my guys. Gotta burn the food from earlier. Yeah, the Thai seafood is back there. Which one? Corn? Oh, corn. Okay, here.
like your name?
Like my name?
Sawadee Cup.
D-E-E-D. D.
D-E.
Sawadee Cup.
Cup.
Sawadee Cup.
Cup.
Sawadee Cup.
Sawadee Cup.
So that means it's hello. Sawadee Cup.
I'm gonna call myself.
Then Kapun Ka is thank you.
Of Buddhism from idea of the religion side, this side belief is about magic and dressing.
Spicy?
Spicy.
1 to 10.
No, it's like probably like maybe a 6.
A 6, okay. Okay, pal, let me know how spicy it is.
And depends if you eat some of the chili.
Okay, let's go.
I'm possibly going to cry.
Spicy?
A little spicy, but sweet and really good.
What are you?
Good.
It's good? Okay,
Spicy.
I'll try it. What?
Hong Nam after this.
What's on now? Bathroom. Hong Nam is bathroom. Okay. Okay.
Say after this, Hong Nam.
Very good. But it's spicy. I'm trying to digest that spiciness.
What I had with that, what I had with that, like that, whatever dip that fucking dip in. This is what I had with them.
Good time. One, 2, 3. Let's go. Kapun Kap. Sawadee Ka.
Where we go from now, we're going to use the backroad of the community. This is where people go around in the community. So you might see people from the back sides of their house. Sometimes it's not that beautiful, but this is how like local people living.
Yes.
So you guys gonna see like how local people living, and also time for you guys to prepare stomach for food in 25 minutes. Eh?
Yes, yes.
Get it?
There you go. Kapun Ka, right? Kapun Ka. And Sawadee Ka. There you go. Go. Sawadee Ka. Good job. Nailed it.
Sawadee Cup.
Sawadee Ka, Poppy. He's saying hi to everyone. That's awesome.
Sawadee Cup.
He's saying hi to the reptile. All right, say hi, say hi.
Wait, he's gonna go over the.
Oh my gosh, he came out once you said hi to him.
Okay, do the same descent to the right.
You mean approaching traffic? You guys go, I'll go on the back.
Sure?
Yeah, go.
Go, go, go! Hi, doggy! Sawadee Ka!
Shower after this. Shower.
And a massage.
We're getting a massage at 7:45. All right, come inside. Come inside. All right, here we go. Beer.
Beer cannot be included because otherwise
Fine, I'll pay for it.
because otherwise insurance is not gonna cover.
Water.
My fiance.
Beer. Beer and water.
That's the way to go.
Thank you. Beer.
Only for you water.
Thank you.
Sawadika. Kapuka. Agna.
Sawadika.
Anyway, that's the guy that.
Can you feel it? Buzzing in the atmosphere, electric.
Okay guys, what do we have on the table? This one and on the last one over there, same type omelet. This one and the last one over there is stir-fried cabbage with garlic. This one is chicken with ginger. This one they call Dunkin' stir-fry. Have you heard about it?
Drunken stir-fry?
It's more like a stir-fry with spice and holy basil.
Is there seafood in it?
No, there is seafood. This one. Stir-fried chicken with chili paste. That one is stir-fried pork with garlic and pepper. The one over there, stir-fried minced pork with holy basil.
Ooh.
Tom yum with chicken.
Tom yum with chicken.
This is my beer right here.
Guys, the
Dig in. Thank you.
Thank you.
cheers.
Cheers.
John.
Keep eating. Then Hong Ma after. Right? Hong Ma after.
Static humming everywhere. This energy is swirling around us in anticipation.
Oh, there's a stairs on the right side.
Oh, we're gonna walk? Okay. We're gonna be on the right side of your bike.
Right side? Okay. Kapun ka.
We gotta go up the hill here. Oh, fuck.
Oh, I see now.
You feel it? Can you feel it? It's our time. Open your eyes. Hold your breath. Take a step. Here's our chance.
So this is the northern lights of Thailand.
The water lock, the water in the main river are higher than water in canal. So they need to lock the water before they open that one, otherwise water gonna go forward in the canal. So that's why they need a lock like this one.
Oh, okay. Sawadika. Thank you. All right, we're back. Time to return the bikes. We're done.
Thank you so much.
Kapun ka, Mats. You're amazing.